I'm Aishwarya, I'm the founder of Entelligence.ai. Before I start here, just curious, how many of you have worked in big tech before at any point in your life? All right, that seems like a lot of you. So one thing I realized when I was doing that before this was that a majority of my time was not actually spent writing code. I was wasting half of my life giving other people status updates or trying to read someone else's docs or waiting for someone to respond to me. And that was seriously impeding my quality of life. And that's kind of what got me to start Entelligence, is that most people are really focused on writing code, but there's so many other things that an engineer has to do day to day to operate within a large engineering team to actually ship products out as a org. So at Entelligence, what we've really focused on is being able to build a system that can take a lot of that work off your hands. And we've been really tackling it like each step of the process. So yeah, I'd like to share a little bit of how we're doing that. So the three main steps are, first, we understand your entire engineering stack. So it's not just your code base at a current snapshot of time, it's all the issues, historical changes that people have made, what team members are doing, etc. And then we help you wherever you need it, whether that's answering a question in Slack or VS Code or within our website. And then we kind of help you through, like it's just an agent to be there, whether you're onboarding, trying to understand the docs, or doing PR reviews. So that being said, I'd like to show you some of the stuff we've done. So there's a few parts of our product. So the first thing is, we believe that when you're trying to understand a large code base, it's not really one-off questions where you're kind of poking in the dark to figure out what you want. Instead, we try to give everyone a comprehensive overview of how things work. So here, as you can see, if I'm interested in Llama Index, for example, what we're able to do is, instead of asking, again, just like how specific things work, you can see kind of the entire thing in one snapshot, and then understand piece by piece what you are most interested in. So if I'm curious about integration readers or tools or utilities, you can essentially ask more about any one of those things, and it'll give you a more in-depth response. And you can kind of do this recursively until you're satisfied that you have got both the high-level view as well as all of the details that you're interested in. And we've actually recently expanded this a step further. People have asked us, hey, can you put this into docs so that I can just see the whole thing at once? The second thing that we do is we bring this entire thing into the VS Code experience. So what we've realized is, within VS Code, you are doing more than just writing code. A lot of the times you want to get a sense of what are the tickets I need to do. So we list all of that for you. You're able to get within VS Code PR reviews. So if I make a change, I can essentially say review diff, and it will review all the latest changes that I have, so I can kind of clean up my code before I actually push it. This saves a lot of time just doing back and forth with colleagues on PR reviews. As you can see here, it's just highlighted all the changes. If I click on it, it'll give you a line review within your PR. Additionally, we do also do PR reviews within GitHub and GitLab. So as you can see here, what we do is we provide an overview of all of the changes, a walkthrough of all the files that you've changed, as well as kind of categorize everything into security, vulnerability, etc. So again, just kind of reducing the time that you have to take to do all of these steps in the engineering process. And lastly, one thing we also found super time consuming is that you have to give updates to your team on, this is what we did this week, this is what someone else did, this is how, etc. part of the team is evolving over time. So within our setup, we are able to generate weekly reports on what happened within the team. As you can see, this is one for Excalibur. You can do it for essentially any one of the code bases that you're interested in. So you put in the name of the team, what you're working on. You can choose any code base that you're interested in, select all of the sections, and this way you don't have to do like a whole weekly report or report to other people. We can kind of gather all of those insights for you as a team. So yeah, I would love to show the documentation. I don't know if I have it. Oh, maybe I do it. Oh yeah, here it is. So this essentially is what we do for docs, is you can take one of your code bases, we kind of deconstruct that entire process for the Explorer that I just showed you. And this is fully editable, so if I want to, let's say, take this section, maybe link this to something in the docs, I'm able to do that. So now your entire team has one place to get a full snapshot of what you're working on and how it can change. So yeah, this is just how we're kind of removing a lot of the annoying friction points of engineering in a